Is this your first time doing meat patties?
Yes. Is it hard?
I think so.
Huh?
I'm Shirley Wong, a self-trained bento artist and a cookbook author. I have this really awesome tool here.
Oh, so cute!
Because of the pandemic, I'm coming up with new ways to reduce food waste in the kitchen. It's like facial reconstruction. Hey! Together with my friends, we're transforming food rejects and surplus food from waste to wonder. Look at the food! Wow! And these are from 3 Dots. So 3 Dots redistributes all this food to other businesses along the food chain.
Knock, knock. Hey, Shirley!
This is Aimee. She's a model. And she's also super into healthy living and fitness. Look, we have so much food today. This is like near perfect, not even blemishes at all. And the chicken breast meat, this is actually excess meat because it's not very popular here in Singapore. People
I love chicken breast. What are you talking about?
That's because you're healthy.
But I'm not really good at cooking, so I normally just like toss it in the oven to roast it.
That's a good way. So today we're gonna make something really yummy and healthy. But I think we can do it maybe like 2 ways. Like let's have that roasted and then we do like a meat patty. We're just gonna lay out the vegetables and the chicken meat and then toss it in together with some seasoning. I think this is ready to go into the oven. Okay, here we go. And let's do another one, a little bit more challenging. We do like a meat patty. I have this really awesome tool here. Meow.
Oh, so cute!
Okay, so the chicken is done. You gotta help me. We're gonna do the seasoning.
I love chicken breast. Well, I mean, it's a really good source of lean, healthy protein, which is great because I exercise a lot, so you gotta build the muscles, you know?
Let's make our kitty.
Okay.
I think the most tricky part is the ears, because it's like the skinniest part of the patty, right?
Please stay. I feel like scooping it is the hardest part.
Yes! And 1, 2, 3. Go, go, 1, 2, 3, and yeah! I'm quite excited to eat it. And to just add some colors, I have one idea. It'd be really, really cool if I do 2 fishes like this. So we need to attach this. I have a magic ingredient. Is baked pasta. We just need to use it for attachment. Yeah, done.
Yay, so cute. He's fancy.
Another secret ingredient. It smells really nice. It looks really scary.
Black sesame.
Yeah, my trick is we always do the nose first.
Why is that?
Because you know where the center of the face is. And then the eyes need to be at the same level as the nose.
Perfect.
For the next one, I have this really cute box. Because I really want a face to the cat,
Okay.
so I was thinking of using a hard-boiled egg.
This is so mind-blowing.
I like it. Now it looks more 3D. Yeah,
It
yeah.
really
And
does.
then we have our roasted chicken, right, in our bento box together with some nice greens. And then our chicken meat patty. And I think the next most important part for us to do is to eat! Yay! That's right.
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 Looking good.
Is it good? Oh.
It's good.
Mm.
It's not dry.
Mm. It's really
It's really
nice and
tasty.
crispy.
Crispy on the outside.
Thank you so much, Aimee, for joining me today.
Thank you for having
I
me.
think it's really awesome because we used food that was going to be thrown away.
Yeah.
But it got rescued, it came to us, and then we reinvented it and made it into a lunchbox.
Into something so tasty.
Yeah!